Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So while making jewelry, we use this wax to collect all the gold powder and dust together. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover gold from this wax. So let's start the video. So this is the normal candle wax. You can easily purchase this from any jewelry tool shop as well. So start heating the wax slowly and melt it completely. So here it is, the gold is melted. This is what we have recovered from the wax. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.